Hey, you have a WordPress website and want to know how to boost your WordPress website speed? So in this video, we are going to boost up a WordPress website speed, and I'm going to tell you step by step how to do. So stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Pranay and you are watching Pro Web Tips YouTube channel. So let's get started. So as you can see the result, this is the Google page speed insight result. You can see the performance is at 1, SEO is at 6. So we are going to improve the performance here because as you know the core web vital is important for ranking on Google search engine. So we need to improve. First of all, log in your WordPress dashboard, then click on plugin, then click add new, and then search LiteSpeed. The first one, LiteSpeed cache, you need to install this one. Okay, then active the plugin. Okay, now you can see here you can go to the setting by clicking here on the setting, or just you can see the left side, the LiteSpeed cache icon. You need to click here, and you can see by default automatically enable public cache and private cache, and click on general. Okay, now you need to generate a domain key. Just click on here request domain key, or next is the cache. Just click here cache and leave all default setting, no need to modify anything. Okay, then you can see the TTL also leave as it is. You can also, if you want to increase, you can do, but I will suggest you do leave as it is. Okay, you can enable object cache because our server already installed Redis extension. So if you want to enable object cache, you can enable. It will improve a little bit of your performance. We are going to click here CDN. Now you can see you can sign up for Quick Cloud CDN. It is free for a limited request, but I don't personally recommend you to use the Quick Cloud CDN. And the Cloudflare API, if you are using Cloudflare, then you should specify your email address and the global key. So guys, I have copied my global API key, and my domain name will be this one, as you can see. So we need to remove the HTTPS portion and good to go. Then click on save changes. Okay, now our Cloudflare CDN is enabled on this LiteSpeed cache plugin, and now you can see the image optimization. So you can see here you can enable this one, optimize lossless, remove original backup if you want to remove the backup. So you can also create the WebP version and image WebP replacement. If you enable this one, it will automatically replace the JPG PNG format to WebP format, and will very helpful to improve your speed. So click on save changes. Okay, now our next portion is page optimization. So this is the very important part for improving your speed. So you can see we can minify the CSS file. Okay, and then scroll down and you can see the font display optimization. We need to swap. Okay, we need to swap the font. So save changes, and we are going to purge all cache, and then go to the JS setting. Also click here to minify JS, and then you can also enable this one, load JS as default, and you can see load inline JS. You need to click this one and then save changes. Okay, then again purge the cache, and open your website in a incognito mode or private window, so you can see any kind of uh, layout changes or any kind of problem happened in structure, so we can find out. But you can see our website looks good. Our CSS and JS part is complete. Now the optimization part you can see here. So we can also minify the HTML. Just click here and you can see we need to remove query string. Just enable this one, and your website have a Google fonts, so you should enable this one. And if you want to remove completely Google fonts, so you can remove by enabling this one. It will depend on you, on your website. If you're using Google fonts, so enable only this one, don't enable this one. So, and then enable also this one, remove WordPress emojis, and you can also enable this one if you want, remove no script tag. You need to click save changes. Okay, and now you can see the DNS prefetch. We can prefetch the font here by specifying which font will be prefetched before loading the whole site, so it will improve your website speed. So how we can check? So first of all, purge all cache. You can see we have already opened the website in incognito mode. Refresh the page, open your inspection mode or developer mode of your browser. Okay, then click on network, and again then refresh. Okay, now click on, you can see here the font, click on the font. Now you can specify, just click on one font and then copy the link address. Okay, minimize the dashboard and here specify your URL. So we need to remove this part and also the HTTP, and also enable this one, DNS prefetch control. And now save changes, and now again purge all and click on media setting. So enable this one, lazy loading for image, responsive placeholder, you can also enable this one. And now save changes for image optimization. And if you want to exclude any kind of images or image format, you can specify here and then click on localization. You can also cache the graph avatar. You can see this is the graph avatar, so you can cache. And the resources you can see here, you can also localize. So enable this one, it will localize the external resources in your website, so it will improve your speed. So save changes, and now again purge the cache, purge all. And the last option is the tuning. Okay, you can see here the CSS solution exclude. You can mention here the specific CSS file. So if you don't want to optimize or minify your CSS file, you can specify here. And in our case, we just leave as it is by default. So now again for the cache, and we are going to check our website in incognito mode. Copy the URL, and in a incognito mode or private window, we are going to check again our website is working perfectly. You can see here. So guys, now we are going to check our website speed, and just click on run audit. And also we are going to check on Google page speed insight tool. So just copy the link, and you can see here, paste here. First of all, we are going to wait for processing the speed test on here, then we are going to test on here the page speed insight. So you can see our current performance is 85. Before the using the LiteSpeed caching plugin, our performance was 81, SEO is 86. You can see the speed index was 5.3 second and the LCP was 3.7 second. And now you can see here our speed index is 2.9 second and the LCP is 3.6 second. Okay, little bit is improvement, but you can see the plugin is free of cost, so you no need to pay anything for this, or neither you paying for CDN. So Cloudflare CDN is free, you can use the free plan, it's good. And if we test the page speed on the Google Page Speed Insight tool, so just you need to paste here the URL and analyze. You can see the speed improvement here. Okay, you can see the mobile speed is 93. Okay, you can see here the LCP is 3.2 second and the page speed index 2 second, and you can see in the desktop mode you can see all is green. So that is, and there is one more thing. If you want to a premium plugin for optimization your WordPress website, that is WP Rocket, you can participate the giveaway of prowebtips.com/giveaway. Okay, the 14 days left, you can participate the giveaway. So what you will get, a premium theme with the agency license. So that is not any kind of null or cracked theme, it is licensed theme. You can put the license and you will get update, and you can also get Genesis framework with the 24 Studio Press theme with license, and you can see you will get a WordPress optimization tool, that name is WP Rocket, and some blogging guide tips ebooks in PDF format. And we are going to select up to 10 winner, so we will give all 10 winner these items, and all the participant we will participate our giveaway. We will also give a special gift that is secret for now, but when the giveaway will end, we will email all those people who are participated in our giveaway. So I will put the link in the description. You can by clicking the link you can participate our giveaway. What you need to do, you need to specify your name and email so we can contact you, and you need to join our Facebook group, and you need to subscribe our YouTube channel, and you need to follow our Instagram and Twitter. Okay, and if you want extra points you can also follow these 4 terms, and then you need to click submit. Okay, that's it guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day.